Ready to supercharge your website traffic and content visibility with a single pixel? Let's dive into how to add the Outbrain pixel to Google Tag Manager for quicker and more efficient website metric improvements. First, head over to your Google Tag Manager account, then click on Tags and then New. Next, you'll configure your new tag. Give it a descriptive name like Outbrain Pixel. Now, click on the Tag Configuration section. Choose Custom HTML from the options presented. This allows you to paste in the Outbrain Pixel code. Now, grab your Outbrain Pixel code from your Outbrain dashboard. It's usually provided as a piece of HTML code. Copy that code. Now back in Google Tag Manager, paste the entire pixel code into the HTML field. Next, you must set up the trigger so that the pixel fires. Click on the triggering section. Create a new trigger for the Outbrain pixel. The most common trigger is all pages, which means it will fire on every page of your website. Select the all pages trigger or configure it as per your website's needs. After setting up the trigger, save your tag configuration, then save your container. And that's it. You've successfully added and deployed the Outbrain pixel using Google Tag Manager. It will take several hours to populate information. Review your implementation by verifying tag firing in Tag Assistant. Now you can easily track and optimize your content delivery, improve traffic and increase your content's visibility. So go ahead, add the Outbrain pixel and watch your content soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe.